Oh shoot. Hey guys, Italian Scrapper. I just finished taking apart this television. I had to take a break for dinner. It took a very long time. A massive mirror. And most of it, that's all plastic. This is all stuff I have to continue taking apart. Not quite sure what to do. There's all that. That's all the metal that's in a TV. Or in one of these TVs at least. It's a lot of work. There were hundreds of screws. Still more. I have to take all the plastic off of the steel. If I can take this copper tape off, it's probably not worth it. The copper foil. Yeah, it's not worth it. Probably gonna have to go to the scrapyard tomorrow. Yeah, I have to find a way to empty that out. Anyway, that's yeah. Big mirror. I wonder if I can do anything with it. It's like a floor mirror. Oh my god. Anyway. Well, that was interesting. Learned a decent amount about TVs. This I find really cool. It's the whole projection. It's like a solar panel. It has these prisms that let out of three main colors. And it has these. And it projects out of this lens. Crazy. What is this? Cast aluminum. Take that off that plate. Interesting. I'll have to put all this somewhere. I can't junk up this garage anymore. And eventually I'm going to have to get to that wire. And those light fixtures. But that's TV. Oh my gosh. Alright. Bye guys. Thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe. And I will see you later.